No, but why are we going out to dinner?
Because Mom might have the baby tomorrow. It might be our last night with 5.
Jenny Bunny! What are you wearing? A skirt? Did you get all dressed up to go out to dinner?
Yeah, I got her dressed up.
You got her dressed up? Oh, let me see. Beautiful. How are you, boys?
Great. I keep the kitchen clean tonight.
So are we gonna have the baby tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe.
It is snowing. So this is insane, but we're in the middle of a big northeastern storm and power just went out in the middle of the night. And police thinks her water might have just broke.
I just had 2 contractions. And I don't know if my water broke or not. I'm laying here to see if, for a half hour to see if it was my water or not. The power just went out.
I think there might be a baby coming. They're gonna give a call to her doctor just to confirm. But do you guys have power? I just want the whole world to know that Louise is going into labor and she's making us make the bed before we leave. Okay, there is a tree in front of the road and we're gonna have to turn around. Oh man.
What is happening?
Alright, let's try a different way.
Alright, back on the road.
Hang in there. Lisa's contractions are getting closer together. That was like 2 minutes apart just now.
That was 4 minutes.
Okay. Never let the truth get in the way of a good story.
How much more time do we have?
2 minutes.
Okay.
Are they getting closer?
Yeah.
Okay. We made it.
On your neck again, George. Thank you. Do you have some chocolate too?
Yeah.
I can tell. Hey. Hey, buddy. Thanks so much. Can I have a hug? You guys can squeeze me now. I don't have a big belly in front of me.
Kind of.
Kind of. Still there a little bit. Let's be honest.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of, huh? Look at that. Little one squishy still, huh? Thank you, guys. Do you want to see her? What do you think? The girls are like, hi, squeals. You want to hold her? Let's go home and take her. Should we take her home? Should we take her home?
We should put her on the baby seat. Mom, June has this